In this video, I'll show you how to print your AAA insurance card. And if you're new to AAA, we'll include our referral link in the description below so you can sign up and start enjoying member benefits right away. To start, open the website, acg.aaa.com. Then click on Sign In. Next, on the fields provided, enter your user ID and password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Click on Manage AAA Insurance. On the drop-down list, click on Electronic Proof of Insurance. You will then be redirected to this page. Scroll down to the bottom. Then click on View/Print Card. Lastly, click on the download icon at the upper right corner of the screen. That's how you print your AAA insurance card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.